Take your social media content from looking like this to looking like this. What's up, y'all? It's your man Dale Mixed It, and I'm about to show you how I just made that happen. This is the ACCSOON SeeMo, and to me, it is a game changer. As you just saw, you can literally use this thing as a capture card for your phone, and now you can take your camera, combine it with your phone, an iPhone in this instance, then you now have an elite content creation machine. So let me show you just how simple this is to do. So here's the unit, and because it was first designed for a phone, it comes with a mount. So you pull this out and you can see there, it opens up, and I'm gonna take my phone and I'm gonna press it down right there on that little button, and you can see right there, it cinches down on the phone. It comes with this friction mount, so when you mount it to a hot shoe or any cold shoe type of accessories, it's going to allow you to tilt the screen for better viewing. And then you have a video output, you have an on and off switch, you have your HDMI in, and then you also have a 5-volt power output. So if you want to power a external microphone, a light, or anything like that, you can do that from this unit. Now the unit itself, if you look here, is powered by a battery. This is a spot for a Sony MPF style battery. Now it does not come with those batteries, so you do have to supply them. So I have a MPF 9 series battery here, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to pop it onto the unit. Boom. All right, so that's snapped in. Then I'm going to grab my camera and place it there. All right. So boom, there it goes. It's mounted on the camera. All right, and then we're going to grab one of the supply cables. It does come with 2 cables. You have one that is a USB-C to USB-C. So if you're using it with an iPad Pro, then you can do it right there. And then a USB-C to Lightning, which is the one that we're going to use here today. So I am going to come here to the video output. Boom. And then I'm going to come into the phone right there. All right. And then I'm also going to grab an HDMI cable to come out of the camera into the unit. And one cool thing about this unit is that when you plug it in, as soon as you plug it in and turn it on, within a few seconds, the phone is actually going to pop up and notify you that the app is trying to gain access. So if we wait for just a second here, we should see a notification pop up on the phone. And there we go. ACCSOON C would like to communicate with the ACCSOON SeeMo. So we're going to click into that, and let me get into the phone. Face ID. Okay. Boom. So you see right here, allow. And there's the app. So we're into the app. Boom, right there. You can see that. Let me focus a little bit on something. Let's get the screen to rotate. Boom. All right. So let's. Bam. Now, all of these other options here, you can look into that. There's plenty of videos and tutorials about all this stuff because they first send this thing as a camera monitor. That's how they're marketing it. But I'm showing you how to use this thing to take your content to the next level. So what you do here, if right here, you got 2 buttons on this side. So the first button is a record button. So you hit the record button, and you can see now it's recording. And what that's doing, that's recording internally into my phone. So it's going to go straight to my camera roll. Now, again, that is a game changer because now when I'm creating content, if I want to do like a reel for Instagram or something like that, I just turn my camera vertical and then I record, and then all I have to do in the phone is go to the edit and, you know, flip the video to be upright, well, vertical, so it looks proper for social media, and then I'm good. And then the other thing you can do on this guy is actually go live. So you see here, right under the record button is a live button. And when you click that, you have 3 different options. So you can configure this to go to 3 different places. I don't think you can do those simultaneous. I haven't checked yet, but I'm pretty sure it's one at a time. But you can go to a custom RTMP server. So if you're using a service like Restream to go to multiple pages at the same time, you can go there. You can go to YouTube. You can go to Facebook, and then you can also go to Bilbil. Now, I am not familiar with Bilbil. This is the first time I'm hearing about that, so I will have to look into that, and then I'll report back to you guys what Bilbil is like in comparison to all these other ones. But y'all know about live streaming, so there's that. Very simple, right? You simply connect your camera to the device. You connect the device to your phone, and you've got a awesome content creation machine, and you're gonna look so much better than everybody else out there. So this is your man Dale Mixed It. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.